I feel very bad. La 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 la. We need to take them a radiography. Oh, they don't have a hair. What they are? Are they zombies? They have zombie illness.
It's a new illness.
Quickly, go to laboratory. Take an injection them. No.
I'm sorry. Zombies is an obligation. I'm a normal person again. Whoa.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm a normal person again. The end. Thank you. A girl is watching the TV.
Wow, he can fly.
Another girl drops the cigarette into the house.
Finish.
The house goes on fire.
Fire.
Uh-oh.
I need to phone 999.
Uh-oh. Bye. The fire engines drive quickly into the house. Nino, Nino,
I want to
Nino.
fly out of the house.
I get you.
Thank you.
Welcome. It's my job. We need lots of water.
I help you.
Me too.
Wow, they're superheroes.
Oh. It's fast. It's better. I don't help you. Great job, everyone. The fire is nearly out. I'm adjusted. We are finished. 50 years later.
Girl, no smoking. It's bad for you. And terrible things can happen.
We're mothers.
The end.
This job is very boring.
Yes, nothing ever happens.
That night, I'm going to close the museum.
The thief tells Sarah eating the big diamond of the display, and alarms soon ring.
Sarah! Run! The police will be coming.
Quickly, the alarm is ringing in the museum.
What has happened?
No idea, but drive fast.
In the museum, someone has stolen the diamond.
That is terrible. Let's go and find the thief.
Police searching the museum.
She's here.
You are a criminal too.
Run! She got us!
Give me the diamond now.
Here you are.
You are going to the prison for a very long time.